Yum!
Good morning, Grace.
Good morning, world. Oh, it smells like a school day. It's time to wake up the kids. Wake up, everyone! It is time for school!
I am awake. I am going to school.
Yay! School time! Wake up, sleeping beauty. Cock-a-doodle-doo. The chicken says it is time to wake up. Oh, Dad, you are... Come on, Maya. You need to wash your face and get dressed. Time to clean up.
No. Okay. I am getting up.
Where is my toothbrush?
Squeeze.
Oh no! I pressed too hard. Oh, Leo, watch me squeeze the toothpaste gently.
Brush up and down.
Round and round. Don't forget to brush your back teeth.
I am brushing up and down. Round and round we go.
Now rinse your mouth with water and spit.
Woo! Oh, done! I am making braids. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, you are amazing, Maya.
Done! My braids are ready.
I want to look cool too. Watch me slick my hair back.
Look! I am a movie star!
Kids, are you done? Come here, time to get dressed. The uniforms are ready.
We are coming right now, Mom.
Here are your uniforms, fresh and clean.
The summer was too short, Mom. I'm not ready for school. I want to travel.
I understand, honey. We have to go back to school, right?
I guess so.
Think about your friends. See, it will be fun.
Well, yes.
I am super fast. Watch me. I am doing button 1, then button 2. All done. I am ready. Look at me.
Huh? Why is one side longer? Is it magic?
Oh, dear. Come here, Leo. You missed one hole. Stand still.
You are the best sister.
Oh, you're a sweetie.
And now the tie. Let Dad help you. I'm an expert.
Over, under, around, and pull.
Wow. H.
It looks a bit funny. Why is it sideways?
Oh, Ethan, let me do it.
Perfect.
Good morning, Madam and Sir. Welcome to Chef Ethan's restaurant. Your breakfast is ready. And we have eggs and toast.
Wow, it looks delicious. Thank you, Dad.
You are so funny, Dad. It looks like a 5-star restaurant.
You are welcome, and please eat now, because you need energy for school.
This food is so yummy. Nom nom nom. It smells so good. But my tummy feels a little funny, like little beans are jumping.
That is okay. But you need brain food. Eggs and toast help you learn and think.
The wheels on the car go round and round, round and round and round.
We are almost there, kids.
The school is near. Dad, Mom, I have a question.
I'm listening. What is it, Leo?
Do you think my friends remember me? I haven't seen them.
I wonder if their holiday was fun. Did they travel like us? You can ask them soon. And it is a good way to start a conversation.
Mom, I have a question too.
Go ahead, Maya. What is on your mind?
Do other kids feel nervous like me? Am I the only one?
Everyone is nervous on the first day. Even the teachers get nervous.
Really? Do the teachers feel nervous too?
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Here we are!
Have a wonderful day, my loves.
Wow! Wow! Listen, it's so loud and fun!
Wow.
Wow! Everything looks new! Hey, Leo! Hi, Maya! Over here!
Oh, it's Sarah. I miss them so much.
Wait for me.
Look at them, Ethan. They are ready to learn new things.
Yes.
Back to school is a very special day. Hey, friends. How was your first day of school? Tell us in the comments.
Nothing on TV. I want to go somewhere fun. Surprise, surprise! Look at this letter.
Is it a bill?
No, we want a trip. We're going to Australia!
Yay! Australia!
Wow!
Look! The opera house looks like white shells.
Beautiful.
And look at the bridge. It is huge. That is the harbor bridge.
People call it the coat hanger because of its shape. Ethan!
Ethan!
We can't see the bridge.
Oops, sorry.
Come here, everyone. Time for a selfie.
Cheese.
Next stop, Uluru.
Whew, it is hot here. Look, a boomerang. Watch me. Where is it? It is not coming back. Look, a kangaroo found it. The kangaroo wants to play.
Look down, everyone. We are at the Great Barrier Reef. It is the biggest coral reef in the world.
Wow, the coral is so colorful. It's beautiful. Look at the little orange fish.
Whoa, did you see that shadow?
What is that? Is it a shark? No, Dad. It is a sea turtle.
He is swimming slowly.
Oh, hello, Mr. Turtle.
I love Australia. The ocean and nature here are beautiful, and the kangaroos are funny.
Let's learn about kangaroos. They carry their babies in a pouch.
Look, a joey. Look up, a koala.
Koalas sleep all day, up to 20 hours. They eat eucalyptus leaves. They almost never drink water.
Now we are at Bondi Beach.
The water is so blue. I want to swim.
Me too.
Let's make the towers tall.
I'll get more water for the moat.
This is the best sandcastle ever. We need sea.
Uh-oh, the wave is coming.
Will our castle survive?
Let's see.
It survived.
The moat has real water now. Our castle is even better.
Great job, everyone.
Welcome to the Daintree Rainforest.
It is one of the oldest rainforests in the world.
Look,
A cassowary. It's a very special bird from Australia.
they have bright colors and a helmet on their head.
This waterfall is so beautiful. The water is so clear.
We need to protect places like this.
Now we are in Kakadu National Park. This land has been home to Aboriginal people for over 65,000 years.
We are learning Aboriginal dot painting. Each dot tells a part of a story.
I'm painting a kangaroo.
Welcome to the Great Ocean Road.
These are the 12 apostles.
The waves have shaped them over millions of years.
Wow. From up here, they look even more amazing.
I can see all of them.
The water is so clear. This is the best view ever.
Kangaroo Island is like a zoo without fences.
Look at the sea lions playing. And there are kangaroos on the beach. Look, a wombat. They are round and fluffy.
They dig burrows in the ground. Wombats are marsupials too.
The penguins are coming. They are the smallest penguins in the world.
After fishing all
The Blue Mountains.
Look at the blue haze from the eucalyptus trees. Those are the three sisters. There's an Aboriginal story about them.
The views are...
This is the scenic railway. It's the steepest in the world.
Whee! This is so fun!
Hold on tight.
Look at the lights. They look like stars.
This is a wildlife hospital. They help sick and hurt animals.
The koala hurt its paw.
Look at the baby kangaroo.
This kookaburra is ready to go home.
Watch it fly!
Goodbye, kookaburra. I'm so happy it's better.
One more beautiful Australian sunset.
This country is amazing.
Thank you, Australia.
Let's make our own boomerang. You need cardboard, scissors, markers, and paint. First, draw a curved boomerang. Here's my finished boomerang. I used red, yellow, and blue dots. Now it's your turn. Make your own boomerang and share it with us. Let's make a classic Australian snack, hell, fairy bread. You need bread, butter, and colorful sprinkles. First, fairy bread is so yummy. The sprinkles are sweet and crunchy. This is a favorite Australian snack.
Kangaroo hops across the land with a joey in her pouch so grand. Koala sleeps in the tree so...
Look, a platypus!
It's one of the strangest animals in the world. It has a bill like a duck.
A tail like a beaver and an echidna.
They are also called spiny anteaters.
They use their long nose to find ants and termites.
This is a Tasmanian devil. They make very loud noises.
Listen to that sound!
Sadly, they are endangered. So
We're inside the underwater observatory. Look at all the fish!
There's a clownfish, a parrotfish, and
climate change makes the water too warm, and coral can become sick.
what can we do?
We can use less plastic.
We can help the ocean from home. Use a reusable water bottle.
Say no to plastic bags.
More Australian words for you. Brekkie means breakfast. Footy means football. Sunnies means sunglasses. Let's make Australian animal sounds. Kookaburras laugh like this. Ha 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 ha. Kangaroos make a soft clucking sound. Sydney Opera House by the sea, beautiful as can be. Uluru in the red sand.
Our Australia adventure is almost over. We have so many memories. A boomerang, a didgeridoo. Goodbye, new friends.
We will miss you. Thank you for showing us your beautiful country. We hope you visit us someday.
Time to go home. I'm a little sad to leave Australia,
But we have so many memories.
and we can come back again. Goodbye, Australia. We learned so much here. We saw amazing animals, beautiful places, and made new friends.
Let's review all the Australian animals we learned. Kangaroo, koala, wombat, platypus. Now let's review the landmarks. Sydney Opera House, Harbour Bridge, Uluru, Great Barrier Reef, Blue Mountains. Final challenge. What does G-Day mean? Hello. What does Brekkie mean? Breakfast. What does footy mean? Football. What does sunnies mean? Australians have special words too. G-Day means hello. Mate means friend. Arvo means afternoon. Barbie means barbecue. Now it's your turn to practice. Try saying, "G'day, mate." Try naming 3 Australian animals. Can you name 2 Australian landmarks? It's quiz time. Question 1. What is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Canberra. What is the famous rock in the red centre? Answer A. What does G-Day mean? Answer B and C. You did it! You answered all the questions correctly. You're a winner! You learned so much about Australia. Congratulations! Congratulations! You are now an Australia expert. You know the animals, the landmarks, the words, and how to help. Remember, learning English is a journey. Every new word you learn helps you explore the world. Keep practicing, keep speaking. Thank you so much for learning with us today. You are an amazing learner. We love being your teachers. See you next time.
Goodbye from all of us. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Until next time, friends, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep dreaming. Your next adventure is waiting. See you soon.